So this is one of the first pennies that I found today, penny roll hunting episode 462. And you can see the scratch marks here on the surface. And then later on, I noticed it here also. Now, I've seen the crimp roll machines where they flatten out the letters like this and this. What I haven't seen is the crimp roll machines move letters around like that. So this is the part that confused me. And also, it's really not a perfect circle. So why the crimp roll machine would have veered off like that is also um, makes me wonder if it's not a crimp roll machine. Usually it'll be a circle like this, but the machine really can't do something that the machine is not designed to do. So to go out of the circle would be pretty rare. So what I was wondering is if it was from a feeder, if it was just a feeder error and it was trying to push it through, and it had to use such force that it moved the letters around. And it was pretty cool looking. Please click like and subscribe.